Hey everyone! Welcome back to Glow Tips. Today, I'm super excited to share some amazing tips on how to create fabulous outfits with just the pieces in your wardrobe. No need for a shopping spree, you can make the most out of what you already have. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about basics. Having a solid collection of basics like white tees, black jeans, and versatile jackets can make outfit creation so much easier. Mix and match these staples to create a variety of looks. Now, let's add some statement pieces. These can be bold accessories, colorful scarves, or unique shoes. Adding one or two statement items can completely transform a simple outfit into something fabulous. Layering is another great way to create interesting outfits. Experiment with layering different textures and lengths. For example, a denim jacket over a dress or a cardigan over a blouse can add depth to your look. Keeping your wardrobe tidy can help you see all your options and inspire new combinations. Sort your clothes by category like tops, bottoms, and outerwear. Consider color coding to easily find matching pieces. Thanks for watching. I hope these tips help you create fabulous outfits from your wardrobe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion tips. See you next time. Accessories can completely transform any outfit. Think statement earrings, layered necklaces, or a bold belt. Mixing different styles and textures can add a unique touch to your look. Revamp old clothes with some DIY projects. Turn an old shirt into a trendy crop top or add patches to your jeans. Small changes can make a big impact and breathe new life into your wardrobe. Experiment with color combinations and patterns. Pair neutrals with a pop of color or mix different patterns like stripes and florals. This can create visually interesting outfits. Consider building a capsule wardrobe with versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched effortlessly. This minimizes clutter and maximizes outfit possibilities. I've found that planning outfits ahead of time can save so much stress in the morning. I usually spend a few minutes on Sunday planning my outfits for the week. This helps me feel confident and put together every day. Thanks for watching. I hope these tips help you create fabulous outfits from your wardrobe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion tips. See you next time.